Manila Optical. Ayan, Pericardian Outlet. Tapos, restaurant, coffee shop. Tapos, dukan, maliit na dukan. Tapos, Manila Optical. Tapos, Kukus Brand. Tapos, yung tawag niyan, Pinoy Lumi House. Eat all you can dyan for 39 dirham. May halo-halo sila, masarap. Oo. Ayan, maraming tambay.
500 na ito.